This is Mimi's present for Valentine's Day for Lucas. What is it, Lucas? Is it a puzzle? Please? You want to open it? Okay. Say, Daddy, can we open it, please? Hey, Daddy, open it. It's kind of dark in here. Can we bring it in the light? Please? Come on, Lucas.
Go follow Mama.
There you go. Come here. Our solar system. Wow. Do you like it, Lucas? Are those circles? Those are planets. Good job.